Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in this lecture, I am going to tell you about meta character scare bracket.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
So, we will be seeing a couple of examples related with this meta character, and then okay. So the first thing I have done is I have imported, as you know, this is necessary to import this module RE. So after that I have written pat re.compile, and then within scare brackets I am writing A and M. But you can see that A and M is being preceded with caret symbol. This is called caret symbol. Now what does it mean? It means we want to see all the characters, all the letters in the string which are neither A nor N or nor M. So that means we want our string, in our string what we want is all other characters, all the characters other than A or N or M, right? So this caret symbol means not containing. So pat is our pattern object. Now I would write print pat.findAll. As you know, findAll is the method. Anand Mahajan Anand. I am writing this thing. Now you can see in this string, when I will execute this program, you will see that it will print all the letters except A, N and M, right? But remember that this is all case sensitive. It is going to show capital A. Why? Because we have mentioned small a here. Okay, let me execute the program. Press the right mouse button, go to run re5. Name of our program is re5.py. Okay, so see, the program has been executed. You can see in this string there was small n and there was small n. You can see it is not being displayed anywhere because small a is also not being displayed, and if there would have been small m, that also wouldn't have been displayed, but capital A is being displayed. Why? Because capital A is not equivalent to small a. So let me show you, like now I make it capital A, small n, small m. I'm again going to execute it. Now you will see that capital A will not be displayed. Press the right mouse button, go to run. Okay, as you can see, now capital A is not being displayed. So this is how your meta character works, and I will come up with another example. Okay, now see, in this example what I want to do is I want to show all the digits which are from the range 0 to 4, right? 0 to 4. So I am going to use this scare bracket meta character. So as usual, import re module is being imported. Pat is the pattern object. Name of this could be anything. Then re.compile. Within scare brackets I am writing 0-4. This is the the way to mention the range. So then I am writing pat.findAll. Value is something. This is a string, and in this string you can see that I have some digits 980237. It will display only those digits which are within the range 0 to 4. Press the right mouse button, go to run. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, it is displaying only 0, 2 and 3. It is neither displaying 9 or 8 or 7, as you can see, because they are not in the range 0 to 4.